According to Harvard Business School study, employees who wrote a short reflection about their day boost their performance by 23%. Imagine what that could do for your focus. Today, I will show you how to create and use journal in Notion to capture wins and keep momentum going. To write a journal, create a new page like this and name it like uh, my my journal, and you can also give a icon like this. Come over here, and then I randomly choosing this. Okay, okay, randomly choosing this. After that, what you need to do is just widen the screen, fluid, and then come over here and slash and type inline, which will show the inline database. Okay, open this, and we are creating a new database. So you can either ask the AI to create a journal if you want simplest way, because if you are an AI solution, simplest way, because you just have to say create a journal, it will create an inline database fully. Yeah, and here I'm going to show you from scratch. So let's name it journal. Sorry, so name it journal, and then let's add an icon to this too, and we're gonna give an icon like this, and then we're gonna hide it. Okay, good. Let's name it all. Okay, and let's give a same. Okay. After that, you can just come over here, and you a Notion will craft some suggestions we can try, but it takes some time, I guess. So let's create our own. Oh yeah, yeah. Tags. In tags is something important because we can tag them by what we are writing, and so on. You can write whatever tags you want. Okay, if you have a if you are writing about family, then you can also add that family tag and relationship tag, and list goes on. Okay, so basically that's what tags use. And also there is important thing, which is a date property. So let's also add that, and also let's give it a archive box where we can archive after writing something. Okay, to organize things. Okay. So let's give it a archive box, archive, and just change this to this box. Okay, it's a checkbox actually, and now it's ready. And before that, let's create a button which is makes it even easier. New add channel. Sorry. Uh, Journal, and let's give it a icon also, a add icon. And here let's select new action, add page 2, and select the database source as the journal source. And from here let's edit the property and date, which is gonna be toward today. Okay, and also select that section, add action, and select the open page form or URL. From here, just gonna select page as page added. Okay, the page this will open this page will open up whenever you open this button, tap on this button. Okay, and which is a date is already be set as today. That's how it work, and just done. And now when you open this, tap on this button, and there is a page opens, and you can write like I woke up tired, and yeah, you need to organize this too. Okay, yeah. And then here you can write what you feel about that and what made you feel tired, and you can deep right into whatever you like. Okay, and that's how it works. This is how you can create a journal, and you can also go further by duplicate this, and then by happy. So let's add by tags. Okay, and happy for happy. Let's pin this pin icon, add that as a pin icon, and then here let's say happy. Okay, this here it gonna show up only the tags that are selected as happy and sorted by date in descending. Okay, you wanna show up the date according to date, and you can create more like this has then sad pin icon, set that as pin icon, and then select this as sad. Okay. Oh, we are forgetting the most important thing, which is filter this by uncheck. Okay, and this also filter as uncheck, and here also let's set this as uncheck and sort by date. Sunday. Okay, good. And let's say add a new page here, table view, and select this. Add a name as achieved. Achieved. Okay, good. And let's hit a icon like achieve icon. And here let's select the this archive as checked. And whenever you think archive, and okay, also sorted by date, it's gonna be sending force. Okay, good. And whenever you tab a page here, tab the page archive, it will go from one section and every section, and it only gonna show up in archive section. Okay, and that's how it works. And this is how you can create a channel. And here you can drag this to some anywhere you want in your page. Like this is my page, my personal page, and when you add that here, uh, will show up right about, yeah, this under or below there, and we're gonna drag it to the top. Okay, and if you want to create a channel, you can tap on it and it will open a page, and this page is connected to that database, inline database we created. Okay, and we're gonna move that, this move, let's move that in the original section, which is my channel, because this is my uh, okay, wait, a minute. Okay, moved. Okay, why did I move? Because this is my personal my test section where I already have a channel section. Yeah, buying a Porsche. This is my main goal. Yeah, and when you come over here, there's a journal section. Whenever I feel like writing a journal, I just create a new page and write down the trigger date, and I write down the gratitude, vision, and the top priority task I need to do, and it's gonna show up the progress and the scary action and motivation lines and blah blah blah. There is more, and there is also a prompts I need to fill up, and so on. This is custom version that personally made for me. I just arrange it in a way that it is related to my goals I have, like goals I have, and the task that are related to. Okay, and this is really personalized. And if you want this type of personalized notion template, you can contact me, or I will add an example. This a different type of my test section in my description. You can find that in there, and that's it. This you can create channel, and yeah. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next wonderful workflow. Okay, see you there.